Hi and welcome to another Lola makeup tutorial. I'll be showing you how to use the Lola makeup face brushes. These are the 5 brushes and I'll show you how to use each one for its purpose. Starting off with the foundation brush, which I use gentle brushing motions to sweep the liquid foundation over the skin. Being too hard on the face creates streaks, but it can also make your skin red, so it's always good to have a light hand when applying makeup to the face. I like to start from the center of the face and blend outwards. Using again really soft gentle strokes, I want to make sure that the foundation is applied very evenly across the skin, so making sure I get all the little nicks and crannies in the face, really blend it in. So blending from the center outwards, and again, when you do it gently, you have less streaking and it looks a lot better, evens out the skin tone, makes the skin look really fresh and dewy, and makes the skin look really nice. When applying on the forehead, I like to, again, center outwards. So everything that I do is always center outwards, because when I do it from outwards in, it kind of makes the outer parts of the face seem a little more heavier than the center part of the face. So I just like to blend everything outwards. And again, we're just trying to even out the skin tone. That's what the basics or foundation is for. So again, blending outwards. Also, using a foundation brush, it gives you more of a natural finish, so I like to use the foundation brush when I want more of a natural, less heavier coverage than usual. Also blending down the neck, because again, we want the face and neck to match. I also like to put foundation over the eyes to even out the skin tone, so sometimes I put concealer, sometimes I put foundation, but if I want it to be more natural and less heavy, I apply the foundation on the eyes as well with the foundation brush. Then this is the finishing brush, which is very soft and very light. It's perfect for natural finishes, and also it is a little bit more dense, the bristles, by the base of the brush handle, and more lighter at the top. This gives you such a beautiful natural finish. So if you're looking for a very natural makeup, no makeup look as well, this brush is perfect for applying the foundation on. Again, I like to get close to the eye line when I do the foundation, just to make sure the skin's really even. The powder brush. This is a really big fluffy brush which is perfect for applying powder to set the face. I use soft patting motions to really press the powder into the skin to make sure the skin is fully set. So when I take the powder, I dust the excess off and then I press it onto the skin to really make sure the skin is set. You can also see when the skin is set when it looks matte. And if there's any kind of like shiny, oily spots, that's the places you would set the skin. We don't want any creasing, and we just want the skin to last throughout the day. So again, blending out any creases and just pressing on the powder to make sure the skin is fully set. The center of the face is also very important, just in case you're shiny, so I like to set that the most. The blush brush has a perfect angle. I find this amazing for when applying bronzer or contour, especially blush, as it is a blush brush, but because it's got that angle, you can really feel it into the cheekbone and on the apples of the cheeks. It's also very fluffy, so it gives you more of a natural blend, which is a lot better because we don't want harsh colors on the face. We just want to make sure the blend is really soft and natural. So again, the angle is perfect, as you can angle it onto the cheekbone. So when you feel the cheekbone, you can just brush it in. Sometimes I like to pat it in, sometimes I like to really softly blend that in with the brush. Again, on both sides, I go from the hairline to the cheeks. The Kabuki brush. The Kabuki brush is perfect for blending out bronzer. I love using this brush because it gives you such an amazing blend. Not only is it travel friendly as it's small and compact, it blends out any product applied to the skin. This brush really buffs out the product, and the final outcome always looks so natural and so blent out. You never have any harsh lines with this brush. It just makes your skin look amazing. As the brush is so round, it really gives you a perfect way to apply around the face in a 3 motion.